Find out the greatest number which will divide 33 and 168, leaving the remainder 3 in both cases. So here they are asking us to find out the greatest number, and that number, listen here, that number which will divide 33 and 160, they are telling, okay, that number, if it is now this number dividing this 33 and 168, that should be number smaller than these two numbers, right? Okay, now, and that is leaving the remainder 3 in both cases. So first what we need to do, first we need to subtract 3 from 33 and 168 also. So whatever the answer we will get, no, from that we will find out the HCF. Why we are choosing here HCF? Because the greatest number what we are getting here, that must be smaller than these two numbers. Why? Because from that number only we are dividing this number. So whenever you are dividing the second number, it must be smaller than that. Yes or no? So that's why we need to find the HCF here. And if you're going with the LCM, obviously we will be getting the greater number than these two numbers. Then in that case, we can't do the division. Okay. So to find out the greatest number, and that must be smaller than these two numbers, that we are finding from the HCF. Before that, first we need to subtract 3 from these two numbers. Okay. So two numbers has been given. That is, one is 33 and one more number, that is 168. Now first we will subtract 33 minus 3. I'll get here 30, and here 168 minus 3 I'll do subtract, I'll get here 165. Now first we will do the prime factorization for 30 to find out the HCF. Now the number is even number, start with the 2. 2 15s are 30. Now we got 15. Let me start with the 3. 3 5s are 15, and here 5 1s are 5. Now let me take a 165. The number is ends with 5, so let me start with the 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 left. 5 3s are 15. Now take a 3, 1s are 1s are, that is 3 11s are 33. Now we have only 11, 11 1s are 11. So for 30 we got the numbers, that is this side prime numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 5. And for 165 we found numbers, that is 5 into 3 into 11. So what are the common numbers we can see? We can see one is 3 and one number we can see, that is 5. Okay, therefore HCF of 30 and 165 we found, that is 3 into 5, that is 15. It means this is the greatest number when we will divide these two numbers. Okay, before subtraction, whatever the numbers we had, no, when we will divide these numbers, now it will leave the remainder as a 3. Okay, that we will do cross check. Now I'm going to divide 33 by 15. This is just for the cross check. See, 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Now the remainder is left 3 here. Now we have another number, that is 168. Now again divide it by 15. 15 1s are 15. Okay, 6 minus 5 I'll get 1. Let me take 8 down. Here it is 0. Now 15 1s are 15. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. So in here also we left with the remainder 3. Okay, so the greatest number is this, that is 15. Therefore greatest number equals to 15.